Hello. So after the completion of structure of human heart, then mechanism of flow of blood throughout the heart and throughout the body, today I am going to explain heartbeat and blood pressure. So we all know our heart contract and relax continuously. Okay. So what causes to contract it? वो contract क्यों होता है और relax क्यों होता है? What exact mechanism takes place here? That I am going to explain first. So we all know our heart is having four chambers: atrium and ventricles, and it is already explained to you कि हमारा हार्ट जो है वो एक साथ पूरा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होता. First and foremost, atrium is contracted and then ventricles. Atrium are the receiving chambers, while blood is distributed by ventricles. Here there are special nodes. Okay, SA node is there in right atrium and AV node is there. So first and foremost, let me tell you one thing: if contraction takes place in the heart, it is because of impulses produced within heart, and its relaxation takes place automatically. So first and foremost here, SA node, sinoatrial node. This node produces impulse for the contraction of heart. So the impulse is carried to the AV node and from this atrioventricular node. This is sinoatrial node and this is atrioventricular node. So impulse is carried further and through the atrioventricular node, message impulse is carried to the Purkinje fibers and then throughout the heart. So impulse is produced here. So first and foremost, heart will contract, then ventricles contract. Okay. So this rhythmic contraction, and after contraction we know when ventricles contract, blood from oxygenated blood from left ventricle carried to the aorta and then throughout the body, and from right ventricle it is carried to the pulmonary artery. It is deoxygenated blood carried to the lungs. So these are distributing chambers. First and foremost, atrium is contracted and then ventricles contract. Okay. Contraction takes place, but blood forced out, then automatically returns back. So contraction of atrium, then contraction of ventricle takes place, and then its relaxation. This rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart is known as heartbeat. Heartbeat. One heartbeat. And one heartbeat takes place within 0.8 seconds. One heartbeat takes place within 0.8 seconds. Okay? So in 1 minute there are around 72 heartbeats. 72 times heartbeat takes place within 1 minute. Okay, this is an average. It may be quite less or more. It based on the age group also, like in kids, adults, and mature person. In kids, heartbeats are more than 70. Again, another condition, not according to age, what activity is going on, whether we are playing, whether we are in race, उस पे भी ये रेट डिपेंड रहता है. बट एवरेज रेट इज 72 हार्ट बीट्स पर मिनट. सो वी ऑल नो वन हार्ट बीट contraction and relaxation. This one heartbeat it requires 0.8 seconds. It means first and foremost we know contraction of atrium takes place, then contraction of ventricles and then relaxation. So contraction takes place within 0.4 seconds and relaxation takes place within 0.4 seconds. First atrium contract, then ventricles contract. So this is one heartbeat. Okay. Again, one thing is here: contraction of atrium. Contraction of atrium it requires 0.1 second. Contraction of atrium requires 0.1 second. Then contraction of ventricles, it requires 0.3 seconds. So the contraction of whole heart, it requires 0.4 seconds. And its relaxation requires 0.4 seconds. So contraction and relaxation, it requires total 0.8 seconds. So within 1 minute, there are around 72 heartbeats. Okay? Then I am going to explain blood pressure. Have you understood why contraction takes place? Because they are having special nodes. SA node, synovial node, it produces impulse of contraction carried throughout the atrium, then it is carried to AV node, atrioventricular node, and then Purkinje fibers throughout the heart. So contraction is there, it is because of impulse is generated. There is no impulse for relaxation. It takes place automatically. जब हम पानी में बॉटल में पानी भरा हुआ है और जब हम पानी में डाल देते हैं और उसको प्रेशर करो, प्रेशर के कारण वाटर बाहर निकल जाएगा और छोड़ दो, अपने आप ही पानी भर आता है. The same manner, the contraction and relaxation of heart takes place. Now, what is blood pressure? Blood pressure. What is blood pressure? Blood pressure is the pressure of blood. Suppose there is the vessel, blood vessel, and blood is carrying through it. So pressure exerted by blood on the wall of vessels, arteries. Okay. So blood exert pressure on the wall of artery, that is blood pressure. Clear? So this blood pressure also it ranges from 120 to 80 mmHg. Systolic blood pressure and diastolic blood pressure. So I am going to explain what is systolic blood pressure, systolic blood pressure and diastolic blood pressure. We all know now, first atrium contracted, then ventricles get contract, and then relaxation takes place. So why pressure is maintained within blood vessels? It is because of its contraction and relaxation. When contraction takes place, blood pump out with a particular force. So blood exert pressure on the wall, that is blood pressure. When ventricles contract, there is very strong contraction of ventricles, especially left ventricle. Okay. So when it contracts, blood forced out and carried to aorta and then arteries. It divides and redivides continuously. So the pressure which is generated with the contraction of ventricle, that is systolic blood pressure. जब ventricle contract होता है, जो force create होता है, that is systolic blood pressure. And relaxation of ventricle, तो थोड़ा सा कम रहेगा वो blood pressure. So the relaxation of ventricle, it is known as diastolic blood pressure. Systolic value of systolic blood pressure is around 120, and the value of diastolic blood pressure is around 80. Another, again I am saying, contraction of ventricles or heart, you can say, contraction of ventricle create systolic blood pressure, and relaxation of ventricles it form diastolic blood pressure. Now some people are having the problem of blood pressure because of various reasons. Just see here, suppose this is blood vessel. So blood carrying through it easily because it is having such diameter. Because of certain reason, one reason is there because of deposition of cholesterol. यहाँ पे cholesterol deposit हो गया है दोनों साइड में because of some faulty food habit or some other reason. So what happens here? Diameter, lumen of the vessel it decreases, and diameter is very less. So there is very less passage to carry the blood. So definitely blood pressure can be created here. If it takes place in many vessels, there may be the problem of heart attack also, cardiac arrest also. Okay, so there are various reasons for the increase of blood pressure, and if its contraction, capacity of contraction is quite less, it may also produce low blood pressure, but the average blood pressure is around 120/80 mmHg. Okay, so remember these terms: cardiac cycle, heartbeat, rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart, how much time it requires, contraction of heart, there is sequence of the contraction of atrium, then contraction of ventricles, and then its relaxation. So this is rhythmic to form one heartbeat, and what time it requires, that is also explained. Lateral blood pressure, the pressure exerted by blood on the wall of vessels. Why this blood pressure is created? It is because of contraction of heart. It may be systolic or diastolic. Contraction of ventricle, systolic blood pressure, relaxation of ventricles, that is diastolic blood pressure. So along with this, we also have to learn certain defects of heart and our circulatory system, which may occur because of faulty food habits, some other habits also, work also, because some are having the work to sit at a place, they may also have some problem. So that we will discuss again later on. Okay.